Lost Spring Stories of Stolen Childhood. This is the concluding part of Sahib Alam's life. Anis Jung has written about Sahib Alam, a rag picker who was earlier happy. He was happy searching for gold in the garbage, and now, when he is carrying a canister, that shows that now he has started working. So he is not happy because the bag was his, the garbage bag was his, and he was master of his own will. But the canister he is carrying, it belongs to the man who owns the tea shop, and that's why Sahib is no longer his own master. After this, we will start I want to drive a car, but before that, let us complete the question answers. What is Sahib looking for in the garbage dumps? So you can mention the things he was searching, and that was like gold for them. Where is he and where has he come from? So you know about him that he has come from Dhaka, and now he is at the outskirts of Delhi. What explanation does the author offer for the children not wearing footwear? So there are many stupid excuses, like it was a tradition to be barefoot, and it is not lack of money. So you can find out some more points and you can write here. Is Sahib happy working at the tea stall? Explain. So I have just now told you that he is not at all happy because he is not master of his own will. Okay, so this was the question answer for first part, and this you can try in your notebooks also. And now let us start the next part of this chapter, Lost Spring Stories of Stolen Childhood. I want to drive a car. Mukesh insists on being his own master. So we have learned about Sahib Alam, and now we have one more character, Mukesh. And this boy Mukesh, he insists on being his own master. I will be a motor mechanic, he announces. So Anis Jung asked him, do you know anything about cars? I will learn, drive a car, he answers, looking straight into my eyes. His dream looms like a mirage amidst the dust of streets that fill his town, Firozabad, famous for its bangle. So here Mukesh, he has a very big dream, and among the people, amidst the dust of streets, where the people of Firozabad, Firozabad is actually a famous place for making bangles, and there only this boy lives. And this boy Mukesh has a different dream other than making bangles. So it is the center of India's glass blowing industry, where families have spent generations, means they are working there from generations, around furnaces welding glass, making bangles for all the women in the land, it seems. So Firozabad is actually a very famous place in India for making bangles, and there are small factories, and these factories are not given any kind of facilities, and that's why the people there are very poor, but anyhow they are able to manage some money for the livelihood. And here there is one boy Mukesh who doesn't want to carry on the same generations working around furnaces, and that's why he wants to become a motor mechanic. There is a line, his dream looms like a mirage. So the dream is very small here, to become a driver mechanic, but this looks like a illusion because no one in that Firozabad dared to change his profession. They have also accepted their fate, and among them Mukesh is like a torch bearer. So this is again a story of poor people, but it is different from Sahib Alam. There he started a job, and here he doesn't want to carry on the same generation's work. He wants to become a mechanic. He wants to do